The lutenist tunes his instrument, while people from the city fill the room, along with music students and teachers from 15 countries, eager to hear a special performance. All before the eyes of a queen, Elizabeth I, a queen much loved, a queen betrayed by a man she had trusted deeply. The song to be performed, a galliard written by John Dowland at the end of the 1500s, with words most likely inspired by the second Earl of Essex, the betrayer himself. Though he'd been a favorite of Elizabeth I, the Earl would later be executed for treason after leading a rebellion against his queen. The audience hushes. The song begins. Can she excuse my wrongs with virtue's close? Paul Beier plays the lute. The singer is none other than the British countertenor Michael Chance, awarded by the present-day Queen for his outstanding achievements. Can she excuse my wrongs, sings Michael, the perfect song to plead for forgiveness from the offended monarch, there before her portrait. A timeless moment bringing together music, emotion, and art. And that incredible moment happened right here, thanks to the ongoing dialogue between the Pinacoteca di Siena and the Siena Art Institute. Just goes to show that a good museum is more than a storehouse of the past. It's a place that inspires new art every day. Will those abuse its due, sing the